Have you ever been in a situation where you need to get in touch with a company's customer service, but you just can't find the right way to do it? It's frustrating, and it happens more often than you'd think. When you're dealing with something as important as your finances, knowing who to contact and how to do it is essential. Today, we're talking about Younited Pay. Maybe you've used them to finance a purchase, and you have a question about your account. Or maybe you're thinking about using their service and want to understand it better. A common question that comes up is, can I actually talk to a person at Younited Pay? The short answer is yes, you can. Younited has a customer service team dedicated to helping you. They've even made recent changes to centralize their support to make it more efficient. They've adopted an omni-channel support solution, which means they're aiming to handle all written communications, including email, SMS, WhatsApp, and social media, in one place. The most direct way to get help is through the contact forms on their website. They have specific contact forms for different types of inquiries, like if you're a merchant or an individual. This helps route your question to the right person right away. In addition to online forms, they have an extensive help center with a frequently asked questions section. This is often the fastest way to get an answer to a common question without having to wait for a response from a representative. You can also send them an email directly. They have different email addresses depending on the nature of your request, so it's always best to check their contact page to ensure you're using the correct one. While they are primarily a digital-first company, they do have a phone number available for customers who need to speak to someone directly. Keep in mind that their phone hours might be limited, so checking their website for the most current hours is a good idea. The key takeaway here is that while Younited Pay is built on a digital platform, they haven't forgotten the importance of customer support. The best approach is to start with their website's contact section to find the most suitable method for your specific question. Whether it's a quick answer in their FAQ or a more detailed question via email, you have several ways to get the support you need.